Hello YouTube, as you can probably tell by the name of the video, this video is going to be about the Madness Maxpower. First video I've seen on this car for a full installation except for Madness themselves. So the reason why the box is already open because I wanted to hide where I live and whatnot. Of course it makes the video a little bit easier to do, you know. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up the box here. Okay. I'll be honest, for $600 plus dollars. I got the Bluetooth version here. They don't give you a very nice box experience, but I mean that doesn't really matter. You're paying for the product that you're getting inside the box, you know. So you got this Madness AutoWorks. Just thank you for shopping with us. Really cool. I've ordered stuff from them before. This is just their packing list. Like there's the price I paid for it right there. So. And of course the important stuff. It's all in the little bag right here. Nothing else in the box. And then we got this bag, Ziploc bag, which makes everything super nice. Let me put the camera down for a second. Sorry about that, you guys. So we got our Maxpower on this little white sticker right here. That's how you know about the Bluetooth model. It tells you the number on how to, and the connect number to my Maxpower device. Race use only. Use it for the track. And here's all your wiring, and it even comes with a little piece. So if you ever need to go smog your car or anything, or for some reason you want to go completely back to stock and you don't have the Bluetooth model, this is a good way to go back to stock without hurting anything, because this makes it so your car runs normally. And of course with the Bluetooth model you can just turn the whole thing off and it'll do this automatically. This is just a backup. And you got your whole wire harness and everything you need is in here, so I'll show you guys how to set it up.
Do you want to? Oh, sorry.
So as you guys can see here, there's lots of different connectors, but what's really nice is that they have labeled all of them. And what's also really nice is that they're all lengthened to where it's actually kind of easy to figure out how it's laid out. So you got your sensors. There's one over there, one right here, and one down in there. So what's really easy about all this is that, let's see, take these two. And the first one's over here. Come bring the camera over here. And all you do is pull open this little yellow clip right here and pull this one out. Sometimes you just gotta wiggle it a little bit more. Make sure you push on it correctly. There we go. Sometimes gets stuck on there a little bit. And all you gotta do is you gotta take the piece where it connects, go ahead and just clip it in. So one way will fit because there's a little prong. Won't let you push it any other way. Make sure you stick it in the right way. Go ahead and push the little safety harness back on there. And then go ahead and throw the other one on here. There we go, that one clicks. I'm going to rearrange all the wires in the end, just showing you guys how to hook it up real quick. Next one we got is right here, which is the boost pressure sensor, which is right down here. Move these extra wires out of the way. Go ahead and just take that off. It's right there on your giant tube that's going through right here. Go ahead and just look at all these plugs. Make sure you guys hear a clip just so it doesn't unplug randomly when you're driving or in the future. One more. And your power, of course. I would come around this way actually instead of. And your last one is just down in the hole in there. Don't expect any of you guys to actually be able to see that one, but when you eventually do it yourself, you can probably see it right there. It's a little hard to get to. Just gotta get your hand down in there. And you're going to be able to see where the clip is. So when you get the sensor piece out like that, you can connect your harness. Sorry if you guys can't see exactly what I'm doing, but neither can I, of course. So it's all by feel. Go ahead and plug this one in right where you plugged that one from. You can turn off the video again. So what's next is that we have our power negative. I'm going to hook up directly to the battery, so then no matter what, I know it's going to be getting good constant power. So I'm going to flip this up. I know there's already a lot of things on here, but shouldn't make that much of a difference. Let's see. Which one should we hook it up to? Well, let's hook it up to the main one. Let's just hook it up right here, hook up everything else. So we can go ahead and route that like that, route that hole. This one's going to go right on to the negative. Then you take a really nice control box, go ahead and pull the connector open, make sure you're plugging it in correctly. Let's see, maybe it goes in this way. There we go. Use your double-sided adhesive. Take right where you want it. You know, good.